Today we went in search of another abandoned community in St Thomas by the name of Wakefield. Now, we did find what we went to look for. However, we find something else. Watch the video, guys. Peeps. So today we are going to search for our next abandoned community. That's a community called Mount Vernon. Yeah, that up in a Moffat, up in a Trinity. You see it. One of the far community them still. But you know, from we say we have find it, we have find it. Alright. Now this community was abandoned sometime. Well, you know, fully abandoned. I don't think it's fully abandoned, I'm not sure. But I see we can find people to talk to and all of that. You know? Yeah, so come and could do it now. Yeah, the road bad peeps, but roll intro.
I do not have a crazy story to tell. Like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
This is a very serious find. This is one of the wickedest great house ever in a St. Thomas.
Yeah, stand up! Get up and fight! I want them! Sweat and blood. Your empire was built on sweat and blood. Sweat and blood. Black people build your wealth with sweat and blood. Sweat and blood.
Hey guys, so I am on the Moffat Bridge at the Moffat Crossroad at the moment. As you know, today we'll be heading to a place called Mount Vernon, another abandoned community in Trinity. It's a little distance, we're just leaving, but yeah. Guys, so yeah, we're up on Moffat Road I walk about now, you know. For real, we're going in search of another abandoned community called Mount Vernon. Yeah.
Sweat and blood. Black people build your wealth with sweat and blood. With the rich and powerful too. With free slave labor, plantation go for miles without no neighbor. America the soil is the black man grave, yeah. Caribbean the place where colonial slave, yeah. Fight for freedom because you're brave. Politics and religion that now go save, yeah.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the...
So, as you know, we went to Jones Pen, a community that was abandoned. We found that community the other day, and the feedback I got from that video, like persons who have went away for a long time, who lived in the community, they never know, so I saw the community stay now. So I'm gonna try to find this one because I hear about that one in a good while, but I hear say it far. But yeah, I'm gonna find it. And the reason being, guys, we need some more time to put the timeline together as to find as to the place I discovered the other day. Alright, that's the aqueduct and the plantation mansion. Yeah, so we had a little more research and a little more investigation into that. So right now, we're on our way. I go to Mount Vernon. We have water and we have all of that. Akim.
Big up to Elite Jamaica and big up to all the people that always are here from Elite. Alright?
Yeah man, so that way there, is it? So now come with me. Yeah peeps, another beautiful rural district up in St. Thomas. We are now in the community of Moffat, St. Thomas, just a little bit out of Trinityville. And I'm telling you, say, the time hot, but the atmosphere up here is nice. The breeze are blowing and all of that on the mountain side. I have to lift up my hand to find the top of that hill with the camera right now. Yeah peeps. So anyway, we not take too long, we are walk. Yeah peeps, still have to give you some of the sights along the way, you know. Yeah man, they come away. Is it beautiful mountainside, guys? Like seriously, You know, so I don't know how far I go. I never got Mount Vernon and everybody keep on and tell me say it far. And oh, you can't walk go there so. Cause it's too far. Peeps, I'm gonna do it. That me I do my start already. So I'm gonna reach. Want to think about that? Type walk in the comment. Alright? I could do like Dora now. Type walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Come we do it. Yeah, man, lovely community, the people them live in a unity up here, so you know, you see it. The poorer communities them always more unite. You know? Yeah man, but come we do it. So peeps, we are on our way. We are gonna try to find one elder named Melon and the next elder named Busty. Yes, it's our next Busty that wanna live a Moffat. Well, Mount Vernon, we just ask for them. And again, them say are way up so for Mount Vernon, but then we are look for so we are gonna find them. Alright? So we're still heading up the Moffat Road. Just asked one lady about Wakefield, and she said like must 2 or 3 persons work over there. That means them work farms, so no one is living over there. But I think we are going to Mount Vernon peaks. So yeah, I can see what we are do when we reach further up Moffat. Because at distance we are going to peeps. Yeah man. Yeah, peeps. When I look back, the people when they like to pop, it just pop. That's true, we always hold it like a brace point. It just pop. I don't know what I'm going to do, but we are going up and we are going down. Yeah, that shot. Let's see your flim dog. Come on. Yeah, peeps. It's far for true, you know. Cause we are walk about an hour and a half now. And we still not reach Wakefield, the entrance to Wakefield yet. So it's far. Cause them say Wakefield is nearer, you know. But Hakeem come like him not tired today, I'm strong today. Yeah man. Hakeem there. Yeah man, Hakeem I go well left me out. I try not doping up here so still is it. But anyway peeps, what up our way we are doing it. I want to see this because yo, on a serious note though guys, you see if we continue on the street where we are go down as a country or as a community or whatever we classify it as, these communities are just warnings to us. So the community them are going to end up. Is it? I guess that's the lesson for the day. So I could do what we come for the down. Guys, so I think we decide where we are go. We reach at the Wakefield crossing. Alright? So where we go Wakefield? So guys, this is the Wakefield crossing. As you know, a plantation was in the Wakefield area. Yeah. So this is the little bridge where you go across. It seems that no cars were able to drive across, but then a road is here that takes you back to Yalas, you know. So this is an abandoned community, one rather large abandoned community, guys. So yeah, I never come over here so yet peeps. And I like Jones Pen on them place where I can say I go there when I 7 or when I 6. I've never been to this community. There's a cave up there. People warn me about that community here, you know. A lot of dark history, but yeah, we'll venture out in other community because we want to see what's going on. Alright, so come with it. Guys, that's the Moffat Basic School and Community Center. I'm not sure because school now open, so I can't be sure if kids still attend the school. But yeah, I'm not sure if I did turn right or left, but I'm go follow the right part still because most likely right with the turn, so we'll go up on the road. Is it? Oh, peeps, we don't know where we are going now. We just take one road because so the road we want to stay, no peeps. But you know how me love bush, and look at this. I be a bush peeps and we don't know where we are going. I feel like we lost already, I swear. But yeah, we sense a directional lead. Is it? It has to be up because if we go back down in a Trinity Ville, we are going. The more if we go to Georgie, end up in a Georgie, don't end up somewhere else. So I could see if I don't go there. Alright? Yeah. Guys, yeah, it's far. I'm not gonna lie, that one is far. But yeah, thank you all for the support because I feel like it's not far and I feel like you're not there with me. Is it? So I just want to thank everyone that has been supporting Elite Jamaica so far and who, you know, donate credit to the channel and donate, you know, cash to the channel, to the cause. Yeah, really appreciate that because I so we can borrow water them and them things and pay taxi fare. If we have to pay taxi fare and buy credit and all of that. Is it me? Yeah. Alright. But sometimes we have to get the like lime credit them for people where they have no digital phone, you know. So yeah, one of them things there. So guys, we're up on way and I want track where I follow still. Is it? I've never been to this community, but I'm curious about it a very long time. So I need to find it. I hear so far still in it, not far as Mount Vernon I think, but I hear so far. So we just follow that track here and see, is it? And for those who have been contacting me about donations, if you want to donate to the cause, to a journey them, we're not set up now PayPal or them thing there yet because we're busy on the road, you know, we'll get to the locations them. So just contact me and we can give you a sender, a receiver information where you can donate, alright? But yeah, we're up on our way. We'll talk about that some other time, alright? Yeah man. So I just have to make one phone call and clarify so I'm on the direct road. Yeah, them say follow the road, go straight up and yeah. Until me see what part a settlement did there. I think me have to go through one cave. The cave me that telling about with the rat bat them. But peeps, I keep afraid of rat bat. No. Oh. Me afraid of rat bat. So wanna come with me. See I'm on down there so we are come from. I saw the road stay safe like George Penn Road peeps. I'm loving the nature around here. You know. Yeah peeps. Place pretty one. But it's a sad situation to see communities come to ruins like this, isn't it? Peeps, we reach our place where we see one track front away. And we see one we go up the hill too. I don't know which one to take, you know. But I don't think of the one up the hill. So I take a straight one here. Yeah man. Yeah peeps, are reaching our gully now. And big gully right now I run the water in the gully. You know. Really steep. Drop off down there so still. I don't know where to go. Is it? Yeah man. Down there so where I come from. So we're up in the bush peeps. That says a drop off is a steep drop off that you know man, watch it. You see me? Yeah man. Can't go down there. Yes, we can't go down there so. Two things. I'm afraid of heights and I just want to slide. You just slide go down. I can't go down there. I swear I would go down there but I can't make it. Not make no sense. If I go down there the vlog now I go finish. John dog. Such beauty. Such goddamn beauty. Place pretty, you know, peeps.
Yeah, man. Bird right here.
Them kill an innocent bird?
Yeah.
Can't show him on camera. When there? No, show him on camera.
You can see the scene right there.
Oh, the scene there?
Yeah. See him further them there.
Anybody will kill the bird? Not even know upset you. Yeah, peeps. I want to go far distance, far for real. But at least that country where the people used to walk through, so not because they want to do it, but because they have to do it. Watch on, man. We come to our next turn. We're going down there, so. But I know I'm down there, so see, that's supposed to carry go to the river. So, we'll fall up on a tracker. Yeah, man. And peeps around us feel heavy, like something around here. Like people are walking on the roadside of me, and all of them something there. You know, I get whole heap of warning about around us still. Yeah. You know, none of the Maroons walked this road. Paul Bogle walked this road. A lot of blood was shed on this road. Yeah, we'll try to find the settlement up this road. All right. Wakefield.
Wakefield. You know, I look for a place named Wakefield at the right track with the fun. Eh? Yeah, man. Alright.
Okay. How far up? How far up, Rasta? Yeah, we are looking for a settlement where there was a settlement up there where people used to live.
A whole heap of family we have up in our Wakefield. The whole of the Kelly and the Lee them man, we up in our Wakefield man.
Okay,
our
so
family them man, all of England too.
Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
Whole of them, the whole of the road there, gone straight up man, carry you back to Georgie with Windsor Castle.
Oh,
right
Windsor
back
Castle.
To Yallas.
Okay, me hear that thing there for true, man.
Yeah,
Peeps
man,
on the
road
seat.
there, man. Drop you all at one place near Albin Mountain.
Albin Mountain.
Yeah.
Alright, so me hear say like house and thing up there where people used to live and all of that.
Yeah, but you want now, I'm not telling a lie, no house not up there bonafide now where you can go to go see a structure, but you go up there,
Yeah.
the place bush up, you can see say that's always a yard where people live.
Okay, okay. We are
You
looking
see
for like remains of life. So
Alright.
people used to live in the area.
Yeah, you will find a one structure out there, so if you go up little more when you go on there, so you see a brother out there, so, but you up on the Perkle road there, you go follow.
Yeah.
You're not going to see it.
Oh.
You see me?
True.
You should have like, you go to now, you should have a small one know the area, so you too.
No, you know, I prefer search for it. It's more interesting when we search for it and find it.
No, it's like how you come and you search, you know.
Yeah.
You say you want to know Wakefield.
Yeah.
Where you said to me.
Yeah.
You know, have a man now who just carry you right through the whole place and you just go through and you see where you see I'm show you the whole thing.
Okay.
You know, buck and stuff, because you go here now, you're not going to see where you want to see. You
True.
go see the road and you don't know which part, you know me I say like, you know, say, yes, some could actually say, a town did live here, so.
Oh.
All them people migrate gone out of England or migrate gone out foreign.
Okay. You know, man,
What?
him that England now.
Sack it.
I don't know if I suck it, them
Baby
call him.
name.
I think so.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you know a man with them call Busty.
Yeah, Busty.
Yeah.
Shepherd.
Up here him live. A man who know about the whole of the history and a man named Melon.
Mount Vernon.
Alright.
Touch a topic there.
Okay.
All them, you see, alright, you see it, them man they, all them man they, you bought them man they certain way you know. Although them a big man can't take the either. But at the same way they depend, but as what you say, you want to see a structure.
Yeah.
People show say people that live here, so.
Yeah.
So a man that carry and say, alright, see a spot here so where you can see the whole foundation.
Yeah.
You see one whole cup around there, so.
True.
You see what I say?
True.
So yeah, got through you know, you just got through and view the whole road.
Okay.
Yes,
We'll try to see what we can find still.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Is it?
For real.
For real. And give thanks, man, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Alright, bless up, man.
And you see when you see that structure there.
Yeah.
I tell a brethren say, if I have money, I build back a shop there. So
That alright down at the entrance, the shop will mash down now.
yeah, out of the bridge there, so you come over upon that road there.
Okay.
Because brethren, I say if you build a shop right there, so people from all but with the community and don't care how far they live.
Yeah.
Them a come back right there, so come look. Because then district where they left, you know.
True.
And they member the shop there, you know.
True.
And right now, they a come to no shop no there, so.
And
Them a marvel.
It's a sad situation, yo.
Right there, so. People from England all, but we come from Wakefield up in them bush, I come right there, because this did the headquarters for them.
Yeah,
right
man.
on the bridge there. Friday evening, Saturday evening, Sunday night. From the touch weekend time, man, down out on the bridge there, black, man.
It's a sad situation for your community, them.
Yeah,
just
man, because everybody just run away and say them a look a better life and now look back in them community, brethren. Them go out there and get rich and go build other house, other people community. But some of them have to go run left it. And when the man then get hungry and they don't know them, they go build them house in a some hungry belly man place. And left for them district for build up.
True.
And that's why for district build down, so. And population are dead out. Nothing now going through around here.
It's a sad situation, man, for real.
Right now, you think I look the Kelly them and the Lee them out there at the them family me I come from. My mother Kelly.
Okay, okay.
My mother Kelly and both I come from Lee.
So,
you think I look a family of them and about a grass there?
True.
All of them. They now look back at them place here. When they hear about them place, then they say, yeah man, I know them place there and rare, and they ask it man, who them member and rare. But that's why you do there one good thing, but you should have more, you want to box some more man, but to they see them, we don't box nobody on the road there so again. The man that bush you know, maybe you do that bigger there and push it up a man, and say, yes, I know that man there. And when he look on it again, he go see some corner where he remember and he know some place. So.
bring back some sad memories sometimes.
Some sadness to them, or where them, I don't know where them are going to think.
You know?
But the place did nice one time, call them time, all them road and I stay. So. I saw it stay, but I mean, them whole past stone you know, nice.
Oh.
Clean, when it's out all Christmas time, holiday time, them road are clean, brethren.
Yeah.
But now, see, it's still, everybody gone, nobody not living it. The young youth, them now take up this. Everybody go to grass, go look food. Now come in a hill, you can do farming.
Yeah.
So, I just saw it set. So, I just as well, Mr. Man, when you go up on the road, man, you have to go on along and grow on. And when you reach there, nobody go that side, because you go that side, you now go see too much thing. All your people you come.
True.
When you go up on that side, you grow in all of one place, then call me mission, and then have a whole mission, church, and then you guys do church.
Okay, okay. Okay.
The road did the same way, it bush up, but you just, alright, see, the road did the same way. So if you hit it, anyway, you see the trap, you follow it.
Alright, so you see when you reach at the iron pipe,
yeah,
we turn right, and we see the settlement.
Yeah, and you go there, you see the concrete stuff.
Alright, so we are going to pass through Wakefield before we reach Esado.
Yeah?
We are pass through.
Yeah, you're in the area, the whole place off of this, you know.
Okay, alright.
You're in the area, you're there, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, when you go another river, when you go one dry river around there, so, man.
Okay.
You're in the area, you're there, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
And respect for that, yeah?
Yeah. After that,
Elbow them say for do social distance. But you know St Thomas people keep social distance long time.
Yeah,
St Thomas people don't like people touch them, you know. Because I'm little and say no make nobody touch you in your head.
Alright.
So big up.
Big up, man.
Yeah man, bless.
Yeah, man, your brother, man, I know him, man. It's be a Clive Ville in here, man. Virgin, man. Real, man.
Alright. Yeah man.
All about them documents is something they love, you know.
A real thing you talk. Are the right person you talk.
You see all them something where you are there now.
Yeah.
A jar in the yard, you know.
Alright.
I want to see some more, man. I bet you must tell yourself, John, one thing is to see some more people. But if I go tell yourself, Virgin, that way, big up yourself, man. That's something you do, man.
Alright, big up General.
Yes, what? We just get some info how to find Wakefield, alright? And how to go back around, go Mount Vernon. But you know what? I think we're on to finding another great house and a slave settlement. Yeah. And then we'll find some more grave too. So if we're gonna find slave masters' graves, most likely one mass grave the dead. Anyway, up there we go. You see it? We're not come the wrong way. A little bit far because we still not reach, but we are do it. I don't know if you can like imagine with me or think with me. I'm not saying that's the way it is, but guys, what if, because there are a lot of these structures all about hidden, what if the history have been taught about the rebellion, just from the rebellion coming up? What if there was more to it, more before even that? I'm talking before colonial times, because building technology started in Africa with the Moors. Because the Moors, them are African. Alright? Egypt are Africa. Alright? So, what if it wasn't the way we were taught? Me go get back to that. Alright? I want to reach where me go. Hakeem there make some duppy sound. But something I go answer him one at a time, you know. We say anytime something answer him, I start feeling. Because I'm not looking. You see me? Yeah. We find the first house. But you know we approach. What is me? But peeps, you know we approach with caution because I'm worried about holes, alright? So there are a lot of holes in these areas, so we approach with caution. Shot that a fire, no? Bamboo.
Bamboo.
So you shot fire, St Thomas?
Something I go on, man.
So peeps, this was abandoned a very long time ago. Come a little closer at me. I want to know how I know that. That tree that grew up through the foundation of the house. That grew up through the foundation of the house. This one me dep on. This are the stepping up peeps. And the door was, yeah. So, it's a sad situation. It's been a while. This from a while. But no, I walk come up because him say I have to really look to see what house is located. And I just walk, I walk and I just realize over here so flat, one house is over here. So you like shut up fire, no? Up in the bush, no?
A bamboo, man.
Oh. I'm afraid of that two piece. I'm afraid of cow, I'm afraid of shot, I'm afraid of heights. Yeah, I not think this abandoned long time. This is over like 60, 70 years abandoned. Yeah, people, it's a sad situation because the other communities can become just like this if we not take up a foot in our hand and start do something, you see it? Because these people are the reason to move, they not just move, so I guess body economics. Come in. So we'll move on and see if we find nothing more. I guess we're in Wakefield, but it's a community. And this community is not like Jones Pen. The house them spread out all over. It's a big community. I'm a doubt if we're going to find somebody. Alright? But we want to find the great house site. We need to find that too. Alright?
A bamboo.
That's not nothing. Look like a residence, but we can't find nothing. No remnants, nothing peeps. Me hear like shot a fire up in the bush, you know. Yeah. Me not see no fire burn, but me hear shot like shot a fire. I keep say a bamboo. I go up there still because me nobody know no problem, so me just go up and I go. If I shot, that's a bamboo well. Yeah. So we'll see if we can find them settlement here and then go around to where the great house is. Alright peeps? Gonna walk with me. Alright? If you're here with me, let me know. Alright? So this seems to be the dry river that he's speaking about. You know? Yeah. Peeps, you know, hear that?
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost.
Huh? Yeah, we probably paused the days.
Come in, dog.
Yeah.
Babes, and you hear them there? If you don't hear it, let me know.
Nah, bamboo them my friend, yeah.
Babes. Oh, babes, a journey on a normal. So I eat 2 mango. We walk almost 4 hours, you know. Yeah, to come down. To not even our time. But I know the time good there will be against when we get back home. You see me? So, yeah. Huh? Yo.
Ready, see dog again.
Somebody I call? Yeah man, talk to him. Tell him to stay up in the bush.
We're up in that place, dog. It's too far, isn't it?
Yeah, peep, so. I don't know. I don't know the one you go. I don't know if we can make it go round. What do you call it? Round Mount Vernon. You see me? Because I'm really tired, like seriously. My water not done, we have water. But the place far. Whoa. Oh, I think I see something like a building. Check guys. That's where I come from now. Yeah man. So we'll try still, is it? The peeps. The beautiful, beautiful hills of Portland. Yeah man. Is it? Lovely. Countryside up here so cool, you know man. All you see the sun hot up here so cool. Is it? When I really know how there, you know. I swear when I know how there and I keep couple like him after it. Is it? I go and charge one of the phone them on the laptop and I take a break, you see me? Dog, I say you sit down on the ground?
Yes, I'm tired. Your seat is not up here though. That give you a big seat.
Alright, one big seat, sit down anywhere. Alright. Guys, I just want to say thank you to the sponsors, persons who have been supporting Elite Jamaica. Akeem, you sit down there so that up, you see? Yeah, really appreciate it, guys. You know, when I make we can go further, you understand? Yeah, for real. We're motivated and we have the urge that we get to push. And hey, big up Carbon and big up Brian, big up Nicole, big up Antoinette. Yeah, big up the Elite team. Alright. So guys, take a 5 and sit down. I don't want to drop asleep though. But before that, let me show you all this again. Such beautiful countryside. Portland Hill, that, you know, peeps. Over there, so I plan for walk one day and go over in Portland, you know. Tell me what you think about that. I'm up on the ground too, you know. I'm tired. Alright. Up here cool still, no? You know? See how the breeze just blow and all of them things there. That would live up here. But Akeem, I drink out the duppy and rum, you know, peeps. I'm gonna know what we are going to get about reach, you know. Watch ya. Akeem, I drink out the duppy and rum. I'm afraid of that duppy. You see that? So, anyway. Guys, anything on a spot in the video, wanna make me know. Because persons been spotting stuff in the video, cause bush we are going in some haunted place, you know, and people are spot things in the we all laugh about that. People been spotting things in the video I see one of them, I see the face in the waterfall, in the rock. But it seems to be a stone formation, still a rock formation. Alright. But I bring my lucky kerchief. So, yeah. We're up on our way. I feel that. You ready though? You ready? Alright, come on.
Go and charge the phone.
Yeah, man, put the phone in about me. Go and charge the laptop. So guys, I bring my laptop for you. Charge your phone like a power bank. Easy it. So, yeah. We're ready again. Alright? Up here nice, you know, man. You know, so I just walk fast down from the truck down there. Show them the truck down there. You see me? Yeah. Now walk fast down from the truck down there. I want to just look flat. I'm a sense of direction again, peeps. I tell me, say, you know, say something up there, so, because I feel it, you know. They tell me, say, yo, something will leave me. I feel it, and I'm not sure if the great houses, because I'm not even check it yet, you know. I just see the structure. So we're going to check it now. Come in, Akeem, to check it together. Full of hole. A hole right after that. So peeps, I don't know if it's the great house, you know. I don't know if it don't look like it look like modern day construction. But I go a little further, go check. Akeem, see right there, so I know I drop my hole down. 12 can drop now. Let me see the hole there again.
Right over there. Right over there, sir.
Peeps, I know the great house this, but Akeem, follow me go right now. So I've been another dwelling place. I don't think of the great house this time. No, I don't think of it. But we have a check, so we'll keep checking, alright? Yeah man, good camera. Peeps, I saw the place here. Dog, why you drop it up? Babes, yo, I'm stuck. Yeah. Yeah, I reached down. Yeah, dog. Man, look like you're really tired today.
Yeah.
Vandal, lead the way, bro. People, I love your pick bag in the dog.
Okay, I'm fine. I like it too.
You like it too? Alright. Peeps, so that's how we are. You know, try and make it easy. Yeah. Peeps, I realize we still a walk. Yeah, man. Not reach yet. But we find 2 abandoned dwelling already. Seem to be abandoned a long time. And we not reach up, you know, Wakefield Square yet. So we not find the great house either. I don't know if we pass it, because the place kind of overgrown. But the road, as I heard, should take us. If we miss anything, it should take us back right out in Mount Vernon. Alright, so yeah, because Akim I say no I walk until we end up at Yalas, you know. Because thinks we are going up in Yalas. The next corner this again, Akim? Yeah. Yeah, I must say we are going up in Yalas, but yeah, we are follow the road. Alright? Yeah. Tips. As much as up here cool and nice, the place have a heavy feeling. Yeah. From find the last house, come like something I don't know. Something right open at the bush here. And I still want to find the great house. There are a lot of graves up there also. Akim, you hear that?
Yeah.
Grave up there?
Grave.
Alright. So peeps, we'll move by in the next 5 minutes. So we can grab down the water and all of them. Well, it'll be like 2 seconds. Grab your water and come with me. Remember the Rastaman tell you about one pipe lean up on one tree and say we should go right. So I guess. Oh, we are up the hill for sure. Around Panda Pass we go. Yeah, to find the great house. Thanks, Akim. You know, peeps, you know, say Akim, I drink out the duffy then rum. Yeah, peeps, so we think we're up on where the man said we turn right and reach at the pipe we lean up on the thing. You see how far that the peeps about 10 million miles, you know? And him talk like a Ryan round in little finger right there, so. Jeez. Jano. I swear upon Selassie big toe. It's far. Steal this, you know? Peeps. We have come up a while ago and now pay attention. Because we look for the great house, no? It was right here, peeps. We circle them. No. Careful of hole in our teeth. Don't fall them. Sorry people from along with. This was a humongous castle. Will you see what? You know Aki.
Yeah.
Stop camera. Yeah, peeps, we find the house, and that, up there, so peeps, that is just a apartheid. Let me show you something, guys. Look here. We found it, guys. I'm not sure if for the house this way in or for the cemetery this way actually in. But Akim, come now on. See you afraid of the cemetery? Oh, listen to me, please. So guys, this is the foundation of the great house. Our third great house find. So guys, it seemed that a part was over here. Because this is one of the walls. Come on, and get it from here. Get it from here, here guys, we found it, guys. So now all we need to find is the cemetery. This is a part of the house also. Yeah, peeps. A part of the house, this. So this is ruins of the great house. Alright. So I'm gonna look to see if I can find any remains of the cemetery right now. So guys, we found the third great house, a part of it. I can't get to size it up because it's overgrown. I'm not come equipped. But I'm try try find the grave them. If I can find the grave them, then I can be sure. Alright, see the next part here, peeps. Akeem, hold this to me, please. Let me look at what they up here for the grave them. Peeps, this a piece more of the structure. See, I told you guys it was a very large structure. Alright? But we never showed the location. And you see it, we are come to go a Wakefield and the man say around here and this is it. So, like over there, we just have to look and find the graves them. Because the graves could provide a lot of information because I heard there are inscriptions on them. So, follow me up here. Peeps, you know them location is always set one way. There's no one coming in this location at time at all, but just look over there. It's like a party has been kept. The grass dead and all of that. That's where the house was, peeps. Come up here and get it from a better angle of you. The grass dead, right where the house was, all of the grass just dead. Nothing can grow. I think there's an underground there. I think someone concrete there. But guys, as soon as the metal detector comes, then we'll find out what they underneath this up here. So it's a very large goddamn outfit. Oh my god. This now have me scared. Yeah, one turn back, Akeem.
Yeah.
You don't think of there saying that?
Yeah.
Come in, Steve. Come in. At the cemetery way in that. You don't think of there, sir. Peeps, look here. Look here. At the great house. This is one of the wickedest great house mansion in a St Thomas from what I have heard. And right now we find it, and I think we have just found the cemetery. Look, peeps. So it's a goddamn mansion.
Security.
So guys, I am suspecting the cemetery is somewhere around here. Why the road is close to here. This is a room. So the cemetery looks at the house, the underground, part of the underground. This is a room, you know, please. It's a room, this, you know. You catch it?
Yeah.
Come here, son, catch it. It's a room that deep. Yeah, that hurt me, dog. Yeah, that. Guys, this is a rather serious find. Alright? This is a very serious find. This is one of the wickedest great house ever in a St. Thomas. And we'll find it. It was destroyed a long time ago, you know, before the rest of them, because the people them, you know them, they burn it or something like that. But this is one of the wickedest great houses ever. This is a great find. Alright? I'm going to try about that way. Watch it all of it. You don't know me now come here about that way. I think of the cemetery that up this time. I want to go to this way. Yeah guys, So we found the great house. This is like another room. It seems that they build their rooms down, or I'm not sure. But we found our third great house. I mean, if really, sister, me need a drone now to size up all of them buildings here. Because if you take notice of this now, please. Take notice of this. This is the house that we're in. Look, there's a wall that over there saying, peeps. I'm not going to really venture far in another structure here, as me I get a different kind of feeling. Alright. This is the house that we're in. Yeah. But me just think that this was a fort still now, but them said this was a great house, and it was one of the wickedest great house in Jamaica. Seems that there were steps there, or a gate or something like that. Yeah. So guys, this location will be documented and we will return to this location, but as of now, we need to take some precautions and leave from here. Alright? Yeah man. Akeem, come for the camera. I could get out of the place. Right now, like seriously, I don't know what to do, because a truck there behind me. You see it? A truck there behind me. I'm not sure if I hit Mount Vernon, because we just go up and up and up in the hills. We find the great house. Yeah, we come back and map up that. But at the same time, we don't want to go around Mount Vernon, because we find two settlements in a Wakefield. We're not able to find all of them because it's badly overgrown. You know, but we find a great house, so I have to come back up here, so you understand. But I don't know if I go straight, because if I go straight, the phone I charge off for the laptop, I wouldn't want it for dead and get left up in the bush. You understand? Our time now, 2:47 peeps. By the time we reach back down at 4:30, I go to 5. 2:47. By the time I reach back down after 5, I go to 6. So guys, we really have to know what we are doing right now. So I think I'm going to turn back and see if we can find no settlements down in our Wakefield, going back out. Seriously, now I really take the chance. Alright, I prefer attack Mount Vernon from the next side. Alright guys, yeah man, I see if I find another settlement down the road. So now come with me. Peeps, this up at the house, I get a wicked headache up at the house. Yeah man, now head back down, see if I find no more settlement. I don't stay up here, so I don't like the feeling I'm getting for the house. The house is abandoned long time. I one of the wickedest great house. The amount of people dead up the same peeps. And there's a cemetery close by. I don't find the cemetery because the place is so overgrown. So right now, peeps, I have my case come back out of the bush, because I don't like the feeling I get here. You see me? At one point we could even find a way around, you know, the thing here, like, you know, we are going around now and circle. Because it's a large house, as you notice. And we need, that's, if we're gonna dig, that's where we can start to dig. Alright, because yeah, that's up in the bush. But for now, we are head out back. Right now, the feeling not good. I pass one of the settlement now, I'm just fine. I walk and I look, but I'm not see no more. So guys, I think I hit this. So thank you for joining me. My closing remarks though, if we not put everything together, we not put the energies together, community, I will just become like up here. So I can't even find one of the settlement them. You see me? And the house I find, trust me, it give me a different vibe. At the first, the others seem to be haunted, but that one here, I made at me. Like, both of we get headache, the place heavy, and we have, at one point come like we are lost, and we're in the house. So, yeah, I head home. Yeah man, because I have to catch curfew, alright? And we're way up in the bush right now. We still about an hour and a half to go out of the bush, alright? So, yeah.
Welcome to Jamaica. One love in Jamaica.